Good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday afternoon, mid-February, and by the time I put this video up, I will have had 500 subscribers. And I just wanted to make a very quick video just to say thank you to let me take these off. I look like a mafia boss. Doesn't look very sincere. I want to say a big thank you to each and every person that has subscribed to the channel. It inspires me and encourages me to try and make more content. I watched the last video I put out after I uploaded it, and it was kind of boring, and not that many people have watched it, and I'm not that surprised, to be honest. I was standing there talking in a monotone voice next to a sakura tree, and I was just out taking photos, and I just thought, oh, I'll just record it. And that's not the way to make good content, I think. It's just lazy. Whereas I should, plan what I want to film. Not necessarily have a story, because you can't always have a story, but at least think of an interesting way to get across what I'm trying to get across. And sometimes recently I haven't done that. I feel the pressure of, I haven't made a video for a couple of weeks, I should just do something and put it out. And I don't think that's the way to grow organically, which is what I want to do. So I apologize about that. From now on, I'm going to endeavor to try and make more interesting, more engaging content for you, the viewer. I mean, that last video, I looked bored, and I love photography. That's why I started this channel. I really enjoy going out with my camera, and I have a lot of fun, and I wanted to share that fun with you while sharing some nice pictures. And I feel recently I've got a little bit away from that. So I will endeavor, as I said, to try and make more interesting content. And I'm a person that likes to joke. I joke all the time with my friends and family. And as I said, that last video, I just look, like a strict school teacher. So anyway, the main point of this is to say thank you so much for all the support. Thoroughly appreciated. Just check I don't die while I'm not dead. So anyway, just thoroughly appreciate all the support, and I will continue to make content, try and make better content, and please come along with me. Please continue watching, please continue making comments, subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. Okay, so I'll put some pictures up that I've taken recently just to have something to look at, because I think most of the people who watch this program don't want to hear me talk. They just like to see the pictures. So anyway, I'll chuck those up now. Anyway, thanks so much for following the channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.